guys, it's your girl Sandra here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you guys can tell by the title down below, this is going to be my first unboxing for Boxy Charm of 2020. So obviously I have the base box right here for you guys. And we're going to go over all the products that are in here. So I'm super excited to open this and see if we're going to start this year with a bang or if it's going to be a flop and it's not going to be hot at all. It's just, sometimes it happens, sometimes we get good boxes, sometimes we get bad boxes, and sometimes we get the okay average box. But I'm hoping they start off 2020 with a bang. I do know for sure that the item that I got to choose for customization, because I know you get to choose one item every month that you want to go into your box, wasn't that great of a choice. So I'm hoping the other products definitely over or surpass that product for sure. But yeah, we'll definitely go ahead and get into this box and we'll talk a little bit more about it. Obviously, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so let's start off by talking about Boxy Charm. So if you guys don't know what Boxy Charm is, a monthly subscription box that you guys can get. You get products at a discounted price, but they are full size, so you definitely get your money's worth. So this box right here is $25 plus taxes and shipping, and I'm supposed to get 5 full-size products in it for $125 value, and then there are a few other tiers. So I'm going to go ahead and put a picture up here for you guys to kind of see a little bit more about it. But obviously the other tier that you can get is the Boxy Charm Premium, which you can get over $175 value, and that's $35 a month. So when it comes to the boxes, you can either do Boxy Charm or Boxy Premium, or you can get Boxy Charm and Boxy Premium together and pay $55. And then the last option that you have is Boxy Luxe. Now Boxy Luxe is $50 a month, and that one you get every 3 months. So you can either opt to get Boxy Charm and Boxy Premium, or get one or the other, and those come monthly, or you can get Boxy Luxe, and that one will cancel out one of them during when you get Boxy Luxe, if that makes sense. Anyways, the picture should explain a little bit more about it. Just so you guys know, if you guys are interested in signing up, I will have a link down below where you guys could sign up. That is a link where I do earn a few points from it so that I can get more makeup for myself and possibly end up in a giveaway for you guys. Because obviously you guys have noticed who have been sticking around that I love to do giveaways from you guys. I am a smaller channel, but you know what? I've got a lot of makeup behind me that I don't always use. I don't always have the opportunity to use because I do get Boxy Charm and Ipsy every single month, so we know that some of those products I don't always swatch or use right away because it might not catch my eye, might not be my thing, and I might just want to give it away to someone, whether it's as a gift or present or to you guys. So yeah, and I do also have a giveaway going on right now, which I will put right up here for you guys. I am currently right now going to be giving away a Morphe X Mania MUA palette. If you guys haven't seen that video, please go and check it out. I would love it for you guys to look at that video and possibly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys like my content. So let's just go ahead, as I keep rambling on, and get into this box. That's what we're all here for. So obviously this is the regular Boxy Charm box we have right here. And then let's see what the products we have in here. So the theme for this month is Breaking the Ice. And we've got 5 full-size products that are in here. Making sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth. So let's start with the obvious product, the biggest one that's in here, which I've seen a few people getting. I did look at a few videos. I looked at Manny MUA's video. I looked at Kelly Strack's video. There's another girl that I watch, and I forget her name, which I will list her somewhere in here. I love watching her videos. Literally, she just did a video where she talked about how many subscriptions that she does every single year and how much money she spent on just her subscriptions. She literally spent over $2,000 on subscriptions in the year of 2019. It's kind of a little bit ridiculous, but you know what? That's what her channel is about. Her channel is about unboxings, and things like that. So her name is Alexandria Ryan. So again, I will list her video somewhere for you guys, so you guys can go check that out because it is nuts. So if you guys like unboxing videos, definitely go ahead and check out Alexandria Ryan. I think she has a little over, I think she has 180k subscribers, but she's super quirky, super funny to watch, so that's why I enjoy watching her channel. Anyways, Sandra, I'm rambling on too much. So the first product we have right here is the Skin & Co. Roma Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So this is a exfoliating face gommage, whatever that is, that basically helps out to exfoliate your face. I've never used anything like this before. I have a few different items that are like this, but this is a really big product. And then I will go ahead and list prices like I normally do here, or we'll go over it at the very end of this video and talk about prices. So yeah, that is the first product we have here, and this is made in Italy, which is really cool. So definitely want to go ahead and keep that and check that out. The next item that we have in here is by a brand that's typically in these boxes, which is by Avant. So this is a shea butter rich brand Pathanol Polydecent Age Radiant 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So this is a sleeping mask that I got. I'm very disappointed this is the mask I got, because I know that there was a Glow Recipe watermelon sleeping mask, and I wish I would have gotten that one so bad, because I do not own anything by Glow Recipe and I've wanted something from them so bad. They're a little bit more on the pricier side. You can obviously get them at Sephora, but this is the product that I got, and this looks more, this doesn't even look like full size. This looks like travel size. This is 50 milliliters. And then the one we got before that was 150 milliliters. So yeah, there is definitely a size difference there, Boxy Charm. Anyways, so let's keep on going from there. The next product that we have in here is by QVEEN. Yeah, QVEEN. Oh, QVEEN. I don't know how to spell it. It's QVEEN Studio. So QVEEN, Queen, I don't know if that's the way they meant to spell queen with a V instead of a U. Studios, this is their liquid lipstick lip stain. And it looks like the color is in Thick Skin. So it looks more like a terracotta color if you look at it on the box. Packaging is really cute. I like the little dragon that's on there if you guys can see that. Super cool. But yeah, so this is the lipstick that we got that's in here. Let's go ahead and look at the color. That definitely does not look like the sticker at all. That definitely looks more like a very nude color. It looks like a few of the matte lipsticks that I already have that I own by ColourPop. So I'm not going to go ahead and use that or swatch that. But we'll definitely go ahead and put that to the side in case I might want to give that away. But again, that's in Thick Skin, and that is the liquid lip that we got. The next item here, which kind of goes with the customization that they are trying to go into. When you take your quiz for Boxy Charm now and for Ipsy, they'll ask you about your concealer, your foundation, things like that. So they kind of know what to match you with when it comes to these products. So they gave me the concealer in Middle Ground, 63 Middle Ground, which looks very yellow for me. I'm not sure if this is going to work just because I am not tan right now. So yeah, that definitely is way too dark for me. I do not know why they would give this to me, because even in my quiz, I'm pretty sure I told them I was like fair and like light skinned, and I'm definitely not tan right now at the moment. So I do not know why that is the color that I got, because that's definitely not going to work for me. But this might work for like canceling out like pimples and things like that. Maybe it does have more of a peachy undertone, so I still might be able to use it just to kind of like conceal some like red spots and things like that. So we'll try it. They did give me a small sample of it last month or 2 months ago when they were trying to go into customization of like different sample dots of concealers, but I never got a like follow-up question to it, or if for me to like tell them which one would match me. So if I missed that, someone let me know in the comments down below, but definitely this is not my color when it comes to concealer, so I'm probably just going to pass that on to someone else. And then the item that I talked about to you guys that we were able to choose for this month was this Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette is what I chose. So my next item that I just chose for next month is by Becca, which is like way different than the options they gave us for last month. And last month it was either an Ace Beauty palette, or it was like some random skincare brand I've never heard of. So yeah, this definitely is looking out to me to be a flop for 2020 for Boxy Charm. Are we getting bored of it? Am I like not excited about it anymore? I don't know. Every other month it's like Ipsy does a really great job and then Boxy Charm fails, or it's like Boxy Charm fails and then Ipsy does a great job. So I don't know. I definitely know my Ipsy box that's coming is better than Boxy Charm. So I will show you guys when I get it because it's at my parents' house right now. My mom told me about it yesterday or today and let me know that it was at the house for me to come grab. So we will do a battle of the boxes and let you guys know what's good. So this is the palette though that we chose. Now the color scheme in this is extremely beautiful, very, very colorful. And even the packaging, I mean, yes, it's very eco-friendly. It's not plastic, it's cardboard. Very pretty right there for you guys. And I do love the color scheme that's in here. Now this is something you would really have to play with to get a look out of it just because of how crazy the colors are. Like I bet all the browns in this corner would be good together, those would be good together. Oh no, I accidentally hit it. That would be good together and those would be good together. So I mean, I think if you did it in like quads, you would probably get a really good, if you know what I mean, if you do it in quads, you'd probably get a really cute look out of it, for sure. I don't grab for palettes like this that often, so I'd rather just play with the smaller one first before I touch this one, just to see what the formula looks like. Again, I did get that in a previous subscription box. I'm pretty sure it was Boxy Charm too, where I was able to choose, I wasn't able to choose yet, but it was a palette that I got in here. So I definitely want to go ahead and take a look at that and just see if it is worth the hype for me to even mess with it, because it's a brand that I have never really heard of before. Why am I struggling to get this back in the box? Like literally, I am struggling because the other box is on my lap. So here is the other one that I got. This one's a little bit different. This is the Grandoso palette. And then this is the color scheme of it. So now if you can see, this is what the color scheme looks like. It kind of reminds me of a few of the colors that are in this one. Just gotta say, I hope there's no like copycat shades, you know what I mean? Okay, well I guess not. I lied. Well, maybe that transition shade looks a little bit like it, but again, the packaging is obviously similar, what you guys can see. Why am I being so awkward with my hands? I don't know. Let's try out this formula first before I mess with the other one, and then we shall see. So it is very creamy. Ooh, okay girl, look at that pigment. I don't know why I didn't mess with these last time. I just was too afraid to. I didn't want to. I didn't want to mess it up if I didn't like it. But you know what? Your girl might be second guessing myself when it comes to this palette over here. So, okay, maybe these pigments are actually probably great in the end, and I just need to give it a chance. But I have so many palettes behind me. It's ridiculous. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go over the whole entire box and see what the value came out to be. Alright, so in the end we had the Pretty Vulgar Concealer, which was $25. Then we had the Ace Beauty Palette, which is right here for us, which was $34.99. $35, sure. And then we had the Skin & Co. Face Gommage, and this was $28. Then we had the Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Excuse me? Please, excuse me. $107 for 50 milliliters. Y'all are killing me when it comes to these boxes. I swear, they put some random item in here to boost up the price to make us think that we're getting the full value out of this whole entire box. I'm sorry, this skincare better be amazing, better give me the anti-wrinkles of my life, because this is $107 for 50 milliliters. I'm sorry. Y'all are killing me, because the last time when I got something, it was like, I can't even tell you what it was. If you guys reference that video, I think it was Ipsy that gave me this QMS lip liner corrector lip serum that was like over like $200 or $300, something crazy in that box. I forget how much it was, but it's made out of plastic. It's made out of plastic. And the same thing I'm gonna say again for this, $107. And it comes in plastic. If I'm spending my hard-earned money, this better be, the packaging better be like something special. It better be in glass, better have some metal in it, something like that. It looks like I am investing $107 into the product, but also into the quality of the packaging for $107. I can't. And then the last item that we have is the QVEEN Studio. The QVEEN or QVEEN Studio Lip Matte Lipstick, and this was $17. So if we go ahead and take our handy dandy phone, I apologize for the mess behind me. I didn't feel like tidying up before I went on camera. I wasn't about it. So again, like I said, let's just go ahead and add this all up really quickly. So we've got $25 plus $35 plus $28 plus $107 plus $17 comes to a total value of $212. So that is the total value of our box. But girl, I'm gonna say that is not worth $107. That looks like it's maybe worth like $25. So let's just go ahead and subtract that 107 and add maybe $25 in there. So realistically, maybe $130. So yeah, we get the overall box of over $125 by $5. But still, some of this stuff, no, oh no, honey. Like this, I got 150 milliliters for $28. Like, someone needs to figure out the mathematics, the skincare, and all that stuff like that, because girl, this came from Italy. This should be way more expensive than this bad boy. And this bad boy came from London, England. I'm just saying, they're both from out of the US, but there's something going on over there. Anyways, so that's what we got into this box. Was it a flop? I think so. At least to me it was. I mean, I didn't try out the eyeshadows entirely, but maybe they're probably good, maybe not. I don't know. But you guys let me know down below in the comments. Again, I love you guys so much. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl, Sandra D. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.